Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Welcome to Zisodel TV.
We need to do some arithmetic and soul searching
breaking news, yes, and
on
events
the minimum wage.
Generally all around the world. So
We will have to look at that.
just press the subscribe button to get
We are digging
notification
deep
each time we
into
post,
the
so you can
revenue
get updated. Okay?
of the
Stay
federal.
tuned to this channel. We love you.
We must strengthen the source and application of those funds. Where is it coming from? Had security council meeting yesterday. Two of the items, mainly security, then revenue. We had our discussions, and I want you to please continue in that line. If we think together and work together, Nigeria of our dream is not far away. Be sure we're not going to have the multiple exchange rate anymore. To you, anytime you was late, a call for this meeting, and I said, okay, set aside my time, I must be here. That's a response to you. We equally have a political party to manage. Whichever way you skin it, we are still playing politics. But here we are. We have inherited the asset and liability of our predecessors. I will campaign for the job. We can't complain. We got it. To me, you are very, very lucky. How many out of how many millions of Nigerians? That you now come out being the governors, and particularly governors from our party. I just need to appeal to you. Put yourself together. Let's constantly deliberate, think together, and maintain an open door policy. Get that one clear. I'm going to be making two announcements